As always, my name's Jasper, and in this video what we're going to be doing is showing you how to outrank SEO experts with AI, ChatGPT specifically. So I'm just going to dive straight into it. So what you're going to need is ChatGPT, you'll need GPT-4, and then you're also going to need to set it to plugins. After you've done that, you're going to need two plugins. We're going to need Ask Your PDF and WebPilot. Once you've got those two installed, you'll be able to start. To install them, just go to the plug install and click on the install button. It is free. Okay, so the first prompt we're going to give it here is please start by reading this document. It is a guideline released by Google, so it's how they believe your website should be structured. So it's very important stuff. So then what we're going to do here is we're going to give it that information. It's then going to come back with all its thoughts around the document, but don't worry about that. It's just information that's showing that it understands what it's been sent. And then next, we're going to need, after this, we're going to need to put our second prompt. And our second prompt is actually just going to be telling it the website, the keyword we're going for, and grab a couple of competitor links. And then we're going to also tell it what to do and what to provide us back. But let's just wait for this to finish. Nearly there. See, it was 176 pages long, so there's a lot of content for a normal person to read. Okay, awesome. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put in our second prompt. So our second prompt is here. So this one goes like this. Next, read my page here. So what it means by page is the website. So let's say this is, let's say a search for SEO experts. Now we don't want to grab a website from the first page because obviously they're already ranking well. So we'll grab one from the second page down here. Okay, so let's grab this company, go open a new tab. Oh, taking its time to load. All right, there we go. Sweet, so we've got that link. So we're going to act like this is our company. There you go. Next, we're going to want the keyword. So it says, then compare the page with this keyword. So we're going to put the keyword in there. So that was SEO experts. And then we want to also compare it against the competitors. So we go back to the top. There we go. And we go one. See, that's the first result. So we'll grab them. We will put them here. There we go. Then we'll grab another. So who else should we grab? There we go. We'll have them. And them. Sweet. So the three examples should be enough. So these will be examples of who's ranking on the top page for the top results for that given keyword, and that's really where you want to be. So it's just showing some examples of what it took to get there. Okay, so once we've got that, so you've got your examples, you've got your website, and you've got your keyword. It goes based strictly on the guidelines or principles outlined in the first document. Analyze these pages and compare them in terms of the depth and detail of the content, the demonstration of the expertise and credibility, and how well they fulfill the user's intent. I want my content to be compared to the other website pages for the given keyword only in the context of quality rated guidelines. And it just goes on to basically provide all this. Now these prompts will be in the description. I'll have them in a little GitHub link so you can just copy and paste. Don't worry about trying to type this all out. Okay, so let's double check we've got everything. Got our link, got our keyword, got our examples. Now let's tell it to get to work. All right. So you can see here, WebPilot's getting the website. Taking a little bit of time. Great. Now it's getting the other website, and we'll need to get these two as well. Alright, so two more to go. Once it's done that, it will be very fast. If you want to actually understand how this is working, what it's doing is actually going to the website, grabbing the content on the site, and then putting it in a readable format for GPT to actually understand. There we go, so now it's starting. So this is giving us a review on the competitors' sites, sort of where it thinks are going well, where it's going bad. Alright. Alright, so it's done the first one. Alright, then let's move into the next. Now what we'll do is, if you look, you go comparison with your page. So both your page and Firefly's digital page emphasize the importance of white hat SEO. Actually, notice here that you want to what you want to be focusing on is action points for improvement. So what this is going to do is actually tell you what you should action to make your site better. And usually what it will do is it will go through each page, and then at the end it will do a complete gather of everything you should improve. But let's go over what it's already provided. So highlight achievements and credentials. So let's say the page that we were on earlier, let's go to that example. Let's see what it was actually talking about. So it was this page here. There we go. So this is the page. Obviously, it's a bit slow and probably not that great, but regardless, so it says having achievements and credentials. So consider showcasing any awards, certificates, which is good advice. Detailed process, provide a more detailed breakdown of your SEO processes. Client testimonials, so obviously there's nothing on there around testimonials and case studies, so that would should be put on there. And then engaging content, so consider adding more engaging and information content that addresses more common questions or concerns about SEO. So there's some great advice right there that would help that page rank better. Let's see what else it's got. We've got showcase achievements, the SEO process. Then we got here ethical practices. So I'm guessing that in this version, so pure SEO, they must have ethical practices spoken about, and that's why it's saying to actually add that to the site. But as you can see, it's a very powerful prompt, and it will tell you exactly how to improve your site. Everyone's going to be different because there's going to be different industries, different sort of ways of tackling it, and there's certain sort of people that are searching. So yeah, give it a try with your own website, with your keywords and competitors, and see the sort of results that you will get. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am getting close to 1,000 subscribers, so it'd be great if you could be one of them. And yeah, I'll be releasing some more content soon. Thank you.